By the end of this Healthi App tutorial, you'll know how to track, plan, and make this app work for you. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Corinna. Are you ready to learn about the Healthi App? Let's go. We're getting into the app. Starting right up at the top, it tells you the date and it gives you the days of the week. If you want to, you can easily change to whatever day you need to. When you hit this arrow, it brings it down. Hit the arrow again, brings it back up. This is for a speaker, so you can speak right into the app and it will find your meal. All you have to do is ask. Next to the microphone is a barcode reader, and next to that is AI. Over here shows how much activity you have gotten in for the day. Daily points, mine are 26. Weekly points, I have 49. This will vary with whatever program you choose. I am under carb conscious. And then however many days you've been on it, mine so far is 67. You can hit that, it breaks it down for you, and you can share it. Right here has breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, your activity, water, health checks, weigh-in, and then at the bottom it has tracker, progress, a plus sign, recipes, and community. Healthi is free, but if you want all the bells and whistles, you would pay about $45 to $60 a year. But you don't need every feature to succeed. The Healthi app uses bites. I have a chicken nugget from McDonald's in here, just using it. And then it has 4 bites and they're 1 bite per nugget. Bites just means calories, macros, and basically just your nutrition information. They calculate all of it into a bite. Think of bites as a budget. You decide how to spend them. If you use all of your daily points and you go over that, it will start pulling in weekly points. You have different plans to choose from. I'm gonna hit my picture right here. I am under carb conscious. I believe they have 7 plans. Some of them are keeping keto, sugar smart, better balance, and so on. Okay, we're gonna go into breakfast. I'm gonna hit the plus sign right here. And up at the top, you have a little pencil, you have the barcode scanner and the microphone again. You have results, and then you have 0 bites. This is free foods. And they have a list of all the free foods, which is basically all your vegetables and your fruit. And it also tells you the serving size for each. If you are searching for something specific, they have a little, it says A, B, C, D, says the alphabet right here. If you tapped on this, it would literally just take you to the A section. This is the C section, and so on. 0 bites help with fullness. Add them in, but don't overdo them. You want to go by serving size. Just because it's 0 bites does not mean it's unlimited. To track food, I have this box of Smart Pop popcorn here, and use that. So we're gonna go into, we'll just do snack. So you hit the plus button on snack, and you have a couple options to track food. You can hit the pencil, and you can fill in all the information, and then it will calculate it for you and tell you how many bites that the food item is. Or if you hit the arrow to go back, you go to the barcode, and you have a scanner, and you can easily scan it. It shows you all of the nutrition. You hit next, and it brings the page up that 1 bag is 3 bites. And then at the bottom, it shows you the macros and all the nutrition information. And then if you want to, you can track it. It'll take you back to this page. So you go up here to the X, takes you to your main page and shows you that you tracked it in snack. To delete that, you just hold your finger down on it. This pops up. You can copy it to the previous day, or you can copy it to the next day, or you can just delete it. We're going to go into dinner, so you hit the plus button. You can search food right here, so you could just type in, let's see, we'll do chicken because you have to count chicken. And it will give you all the chicken information here. I like this one. It's the chicken breast cooked without skin, no bone. It's 1 bite per ounce. Actually, I have this saved, which to save something, you just tap on the star. Once it turns yellow, you have that in your favorites. Makes it easier to find. And then to adjust your ounces, let's say I'm gonna have 4 ounces of chicken. I'm gonna move that up. This also has teaspoons, tablespoons, cups, pints, quarts, and so on. You can do fraction, you can do decimal, and I'm going to hit done. It switched it to 4 bytes for 4 ounces. If you want to track that, you hit track, hit the X, and it's tracked. I'm going to delete it again. Track as you go to stay more mindful. Going back into dinner, up at the top here has your 0 bytes foods. These are your favorites, so everything that you hit the star on, it has it all logged right here. You can find things quite easily, and you can search anything you're looking for in your favorites. Search it right here and it'll bring it up quickly. This is my food, and then recipes. You can create your own recipe in here and it will calculate everything for you, or you can go by brands. So you have all your restaurants here. Here's some snack brands, and then you have alcohol. I'm gonna hit this X. It took me out. Now, on the bottom, there's a plus sign. That brings up this page. It's a shortcuts page. And you can have notes, you can have a calculator, your 0 bytes, you can create your recipe, voice tracking, food, restaurant, weight, and checks. So I do use this one quite often. I go right into restaurant, and then it has a search bar right here. So let's say I'm gonna go to, let's do McDonald's. So all I have to do is MCD, it comes right up, McDonald's. Watch that sometimes it says McDonald's Canada, and it will do that for other restaurants too. Just make sure that it's, if you're in the US, you wanna use the US one. And then you can search any of the foods here in this search bar, and you can look for things individually. You can scroll to find things, and it breaks it down and tells you how many bytes per item. Hit this arrow to go back, and then do it again. Okay, I'm gonna hit the plus, and this is where you can calculate in your weight. When you weigh yourself, this is food. Brings you right into the food section. It's all just shortcuts to get you there quicker. All right, so let's say I know the points and I wanna quickly add them and not add in all the nutrition and stuff. So I'm gonna go to, we'll do lunch. We're gonna come up here to this pencil, and instead of filling in everything, you would just fill in the name and then come down here to the bottom, and you would put override values, and you would add in whatever points that your item is. Let's say it's 3, and it will show you it's 3 bytes for 1 serving, and then you would hit save. But you have to add in whatever your item is first before it allows you to hit save. I'm gonna hit this arrow and we're gonna go back. Let's go in and find favorite items. I will show you how to do that. We will put in, let's do orange chicken. I want it in my favorites. So I'm gonna come up here to this star. All you have to do is hit that star, and that's it. It's favorited. Make sure you hit track or save down here, and then it will automatically be into your favorites. So we're gonna go to this arrow, we're gonna go back. Right at the top it says favorites. I wanna find orange chicken, so I'm gonna search it. In there, it shows right up. If you want it unfavored, all you have to do is, that's it. Just take the yellow off from the star and it's out of your favorites. We're gonna go back. Let's go into the recipe section. There are so many things in here. I just love the recipe section. You can really just search anything. You have breakfast, smoothies, dinner, chicken, low carb, salmon, and pasta. You can search, let's see, we'll do dinner, and all the dinners pop up. And then you just choose whatever you want for that day. And you can go by dishes, dietary, allergy, and cuisine. Let's try breakfast. Fiber 1 strawberry smoothie, banana nut bread Chex party mix, that sounds delicious. A green monster smoothie, Nutella overnight dessert oats, 11 bytes. I'm gonna get into that. It tells you how many stars, people are loving it. It's pretty good. Takes about 45 minutes to make, serves 1. It's 11 bytes. And then it tells you the ingredients. And then it also tells you the instructions, and then it breaks it down into macros and your nutrition information. And then if you want that, you can also rate it if you really like it, or not, whichever. And then you hit track and it would track it. I'm gonna go back. Don't wait until night to track. Track ahead or during. Be consistent with tracking. If you pre-track your meals, you can always go back and adjust your bites for the day. This is real life. This is what actually works. A lot of days I will go in and I'll start out with dinner. I put my dinner in. I work the rest of my day around those dinner points. If I find that I am getting too close to my daily points and I don't want to use my weekly points, I will adjust as I go. We're gonna go at the bottom here next to recipes is community. And you can get into groups. It's all groups or just my groups, whichever one that you like. You can save it and have it in just this section right here. Invite a friend to cheer you on. You have a filter for your posts and favorites. The bell is for notifications. Just hit the little home button and it takes you right back. Here's pinned posts, and then here's things that people have shared throughout the communities. We're back at the main page. Down here is water. You can track how much water you drink. You just hit the plus button and it adds it to, or you hit the minus button, it takes it away. And then your health checks. This will show you the date and then like how many fruits and vegetables. So let's say I had a fruit, it'll light it up. Dairy, lean protein, oil, whole grain, or multivitamins you can count too. And then you would hit save at the top. I'm gonna hit this X. Under progress, it's weight and food. The food part will calculate your average bites. And then here is where you hit to weigh in. I'm gonna show you something pretty neat. So if you go down here on the bottom to recipes, you come up here to this little folder. These are meal plans. You can do a 5-day getting started, 7-day healthy. You just have choices, low sugar, Mediterranean. And then they have popular ones. Let's go to 5-day getting started. Takes you in, it shows you day 1, day 2, and so on. And then it also has a grocery list. These are the things that you need to make these meals. It's all done for you. And it tells you how much you need for each item. Go back to meals. Okay, I'm gonna hit this arrow right here. Let's go to, look at this, 7-day healthy favorites. Avocado toast with a twist, spinach and artichoke melts. They have all kinds of stuff. So day 2, day 3, they have oatmeal cups. And then if I go to oatmeal cups, it tells you your breakfast oatmeal cupcake is 2 orange juice, and then strawberries is 0. 1 serving of orange juice is 3. And then you can use this plan or you're just done. Let's go into activity. We're gonna hit the plus button, and this shows you all activity. Here's a whole list just for running, shopping. Hello. Oh yeah, I could do that one. Let's do walking. They have exercise, moderate. Whoops, what did I hit? Moderate. Okay, we're doing moderate. Okay, so let's say my duration is how many minutes? We'll do 30 minutes. It gives you 3 bites for 30 minutes. Let's do 20 minutes, 2 bites. So 10 minutes would probably be 1 bite. Make sure you're subscribed because I do both Weight Watchers and Healthy Points. As a matter of fact, I have a Weight Watcher app tutorial. I will have it linked below in case you missed it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon. Wait, here are 2 more videos you'll enjoy. I don't only include WW, I also do Healthy. Thank you so much for all of your amazing support.